I fell in love cause you looked so fine. So darling, please don't mind. I fell in love maybe once or twice. But you look so fine. You are the sunshine in my life. Will you come over to my place at 9? You are the sunshine in my life. Will you come over to my place?
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is going to be some cleaning motivation. I'm not sure what to call this. This is, I think, going to be some type of like daily cleaning motivation video. I just had to get some things done in this video or on the day that I was filming, and I figured I would just take you guys along for the ride. So this isn't spring cleaning, this isn't deep cleaning, this is just kind of going through the areas of my home that need a good once over and just doing that. So I know it's not a super long video, but I hope you guys enjoy it. I think it's some good cleaning motivation. So let's just jump into it. I'm going to start in my kitchen, and then I'm actually going to clean my back patio table, followed by the living room and our bedroom. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back in a little bit, but for right now, I'm going to let some music play. And yeah, let's get cleaning, guys.
Oh, I fell in love cause you looked so fine. So darling, please don't mind. I fell in love maybe once or twice. But you look so fine. You are the sunshine in my life. Will you come over to my place at 9? You are the sunshine in my life. Will you come over to my place at 9? At 9, 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 at 9. when it hurts like this. We climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this.
So here is what my back deck looks like, or my back deck like table or patio set looks like. It was really difficult for me to show this on camera just because of like the lighting, but I hope you guys can see how absolutely disgusting the table is. This week in New England has been really, really wonderful. We've had like 2 or 3 days over 50 degrees, and if you live in New England, or really if you live in any area where like you really get truly like all 4 seasons, like the winters are just brutal. So you do not miss an opportunity like a 50-degree day in February. So I am taking advantage of the weather, and I am cleaning the back deck. Really quick, also, this isn't sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I just like to share these things with you guys. For pretty much this entire video, I'm using I think it's called Everspring. The lemon and mint all-purpose cleaner. You can get it at Target. It's in the yellow bottle, and I have been obsessed with that cleaner. It smells so good and so fresh. Like, obviously, if you don't like lemon or mint, you're not going to like this cleaner, but I really, really like that cleaner, and I love the way it smells. I love the way it cleans. It is all natural. And honestly, like I said, I can't recommend that enough to you guys. It's really, really good. So for my back table, because it was so dirty, I actually cleaned it first with the all-purpose cleaner, and then did it again with like a glass cleaner to get it extra shiny, and I'm super happy with how it came out. So now that that's done, I'm gonna move into my living room, and then I will wrap up in my bedroom.
When it hurts like this, we hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this. When it hurts like this. When it hurts like this. It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. 'Cause I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. Oh, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. Go. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days, 'cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. I'm falling now. I'm falling for love. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say
So that wraps up this video, guys. I know it wasn't a long one, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it, and I hope it was some good cleaning motivation for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. Make sure you guys come back on Sunday. Sunday is going to be another spring cleaning video, so I hope you guys are excited for that because I'm super excited for that. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.